guys, I am working on this pattern. This is Simplicity 9707. I'm working on this because this is the Sew Your View pattern for the month of April, and I've had the fabric and I really wanted to get it cut out. This is the fabric that I'm using, and I'll be showing that to you once I get it made and everything. I think it's going to be super cute. It was inspired by a top I saw. I'll talk about that in a later video when I show it. But I have a question for you. I am cutting out my collar. Well, I've already cut out the collar, and I need to use interfacing to interface it. I've already cut out interfacing for the cuffs. But my question is, I am using this 950 sheer tailor interfacing. It says lightweight to midweight wovens and knit. I am using a quilt and cotton. This seems kind of thick, so this is what it looks like. I have used a thinner interfacing in the past, and I feel like I just feel like it doesn't do the job. So let me know in the comments below what type of interfacing you use for your collars or for your cuffs, because I'd like to know. So yeah, I have cut that out for the cuffs, and also I folded this interfacing over 3 times so that there's 4 layers. And when I cut out interfacing for my cuffs and for my collars, I don't cut them on the bias. Like, this is supposed to be cut on the bias, but because it's interfacing, I figure it really doesn't matter the direction because it's not stretchy. So tell me, is that something you do as well? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so I'm eager to get this finished, and I will definitely be showing you all at some point when I'm complete. I will be pushing out a video in the week, later in the week, maybe Thursday, of a pattern haul. I got major hauls, actually 2, but 1 at a time because they're long. But anyway, so just stay tuned to the channel. And again, let me know your thoughts about this interfacing situation, and about as far as the being cut on the bias, and also about this here type of interfacing that you use for your collars and for your cuffs. All right, have a great day.